Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and salam satu Malaysia. I'm Nur HAZWANI binti BAKAR, matrix number D2010044597. I deliver a speech about the criteria of an ideal teacher. When talking about being an ideal teacher, there is a myriad of perspective of what an ideal teacher is. Firstly, for me, an ideal teacher is one who can be a motivator to her pupils, with the awareness that your pupils come from different backgrounds, have different personalities, and so on. An ideal teacher should know how to give a motivation to each pupil. She needs to know that different pupils require different kinds of motivation, as they would definitely face different kind of problem. So being a good motivator is essential to be an ideal teacher. Then I also think that an ideal teacher should be an ideal for her pupils. Some say that teachers are children's role model. Thus, based on this, an ideal teacher should know how to act, how to dress, speak, walk, or even talk correctly in front of her pupils. For all these aspects are actually being observed by them. I always hold on one principle: once a teacher, always a teacher. Therefore, in everything we do, an ideal teacher should do it like how a teacher is supposed to do. After that, an ideal teacher also needs to know how to be less egoistic. It is common for humans to think that they are right, even if the others have told them they are wrong. Nevertheless, to be an ideal teacher, one should know to admit her mistake in front of their pupils. For instance, if the teacher is teaching of wrong things and wants people rise and correct her, she must accept that with an open mind and open heart. This is actually how a teacher can improve herself, hence leading to be an ideal teacher before the pupil eyes. Lastly, one important criteria of an ideal teacher that I believe all teachers must have is being loving and caring towards the children. With the fact in mind that we are handling children, thus we cannot run away from being loving and caring towards them. Children need a crucial love and care from teacher, especially those who do not get this at home. Simply asking them if they are fine or simply treat them a meal once in a while is sufficient to portray our love and care towards the children. This would definitely make them appreciate us more. In conclusion, there are many ways to be an ideal teacher. There are also many views of how an ideal teacher should be. However, the point above are example of my own perspective an ideal teacher. Above all, we must bear in mind that we work with humans and not machines. Thus, the best of them is indeed virtual and essential. Thank you.